Hello everybody, welcome to the community of Holistic Living. You landed on this video as you were searching for a solution for diabetes. Well, this is certainly a right choice you have made by choosing this video, as I would like to introduce you to a natural substance called turmeric that helps to manage the symptoms of diabetes. But first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Anna Tulina. I am a medical doctor, plus I have PhD in medical science. I have been working in the research field for over 25 years. And one of my scientific priorities was working with metabolic disorders and looking for the solution to take care of these problems. Even though there is an obvious accomplishment of traditional medicine to manage the metabolic disorders, people are still looking for more effective, more simple, more natural and inexpensive approaches to take care of these conditions. Turmeric is created by processing dried roots of a plant called curcuma. Turmeric is a spice that is widely used in Asian cuisine for centuries. Over the last decades, studies have shown that turmeric provides multiple health benefits. It is very important to emphasize that turmeric is known as a harmless supplement that does not show any side effects. So today, as I already mentioned, we are talking about turmeric and diabetes. Recent studies have shown that turmeric primary polyphenol curcumin is the main compound in the plant that has been researched for its blood sugar regulating properties. One particularly striking study published in the American Diabetic Association's own journal, Diabetes Care, found turmeric extract to be 100% effective in preventing pre-diabetics from developing type 2 diabetes. It turns out that this spice may be a powerful therapeutic intervention for more than just type 2 diabetes. Preclinical research now reveals it may have a role in reversing pancreatic damage in insulin-dependent type 1 diabetes, who is routinely told that their conditions can be cured. Back in 2013, an exciting study published in the journal Diabetology and Metabolic Syndrome titled "The Effect of the Novel Curcumin Derivative on Pancreatic Islet Regeneration in Experimental Type 1 Diabetes in Rats" long-term study found that diabetic rats who received a novel water-soluble high-concentrate 53.21% curcumin derivative orally for 40 days showed an improvement of their plasma glucose, insulin, and C-peptide, a marker for the health and insulin-producing capability of the beta cells levels. That began after about 4 months and continued to improve until the 10-month mark, when their values were almost completely normalized and evidence of significant pancreatic regeneration could be observed. With all these advantages, turmeric recipes have a minor challenge related to the way the body absorbs this supplement. That is why the formulation of this supplement is a very important factor that should be taken into consideration when turmeric is chosen as a medication. There is a company called PureThrive that developed a new formulation of turmeric using a unique liposomal manufacturing technology. Using this technology allows their supplement to avoid any possibility of being destroyed by digestive fluids before it gets into the bloodstream and serves beneficially. To get more information about this product, please visit the manufacturer's link below. I wish you all the best, stay healthy. Thank you for listening.